Hello everyone, welcome to my 7th tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be talking about the viewport. I have made one image from Photoshop. Yeah, I did this all from the Photoshop, and now in this tutorial we'll be converting this into the viewport by using HTML, CSS. Okay, so let's begin today's tutorial. So before starting this, I've already taught you to draw your project here, so I hope you have already drawn it. Okay, now let's make this bigger. Yeah, go to the okay here. So let's make this page. First of all, before making this page, let's make one route for this. Okay, so first of all, go to the web.php and go here, type here route get slash and article id. Okay, so I'll be I'll make here anonymous function for this, and I'll return the view. Yeah, let's make here one view or one folder called article. Okay, and inside that article, let's create one file called detail.blade.php. Okay, fine. Go to the here, and inside the article folder I have detail.blade.php. Okay, fine. Now is the page. Yeah, hello. Let's run this. Let's go here, let's write here one. Okay, what I meant this web.php line number 17, web.php line number 17. Oh, I forgot to semicolon here. Okay, fine. Now this is done. Okay, let's copy this for this whole file here. It is not the good approach doing in this way, but how we can prevent this, I'll be teaching this in further tutorial. So right now let's copy this. Okay, and okay, let's not keep this here. Let's remove this, and let's remove this. And what we have done here, Lorem. So let's make one card here. Okay, so this is the card here. This, I think we have already know the bootstrap. Okay, if you don't know, just go to the get bootstrap.com. Yeah, inside there you'll get the documentation. Every documentation you can view from here. Okay, and inside there you can go to the components. Okay, and inside component you can view a card. Okay, this is what we have done there, right? It's the same thing that we have done there. So let's copy this. We can copy this and we can simply paste it here. Okay, fine. Now let's refresh here one time. Okay, I think it's gonna be similar. Yeah, it's almost similar, right? Okay, now go here. We have a title, right? So for the title we can do it in this way. So let's copy this one, not that one. Okay, let's copy this one here and let's paste it here. So okay, now let's view this. Okay, fine, we don't need subtitles, so remove this one. We have do we have link? No, we don't have link, so we can remove this two part here. Okay, I think this much is okay for us. Okay, card title. For the card title we have Lorem. Okay, just simply write here Lorem here, and we can simply view here Lorem, and we have the text here for the Lorem, right? Okay, fine. Let's do one thing. Let's go to the Lorem Epson site here and let's copy this. Fine. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, let's copy this content here and let's paste that content over here. Okay, fine, let's paste this content here. So now if we refresh this page, then it is almost similar to this, right? Okay, fine. Now here is a by zone. You can see here by zone, that means by the one who have written this article. So we can simply type here by John, right? And we can simply give what we can give here is we can give here a class name called text muted, right? Because of text muted we'll get the same thing there. Fine, let's write a class and let's write text muted. This is JavaScript class. Yeah, you can see here, and we need this to go to the right side, right? So write a float right, then it will go to the right side. Fine. Then we'll be making a leave or reply. So for the leave or reply, you can go to the next after this div, yeah. After this okay, let's go to the after the card, okay. And inside there we can open one. Okay, let's type one s4 and let's write a leave reply, correct. And in leave reply we have same class called text muted. Okay, fine. And okay, fine. Let's run here. Okay, I think we need some margin there, right? Okay, let's write here. Let's write a margin. Okay, let's write a margin 10. Okay, then we can simply write a margin top to the 10 pixel, and we can simply give here a margin top 10. So I think now it will be fine. Okay, good. Okay, after that, sorry, after that we have a form here for the comment line. So let's make that form. Let's open your form now. Then you can simply open your form, yeah. And inside that form we have a text area, right? Text area, we can simply open a text area here, and we are using a bootstrap, so it will be easier for us to use form control, and rest of thing it will take care by its own self. Okay, fine. Okay, and in the form we can do the text area there, and we have this little bit long, right? This we have most long, so let's keep here rows equals to, let's give you 5. Then okay, fine. I think it's better. So after this we can put a button for submit. Let's write here button here, okay. And let's give a class of bootstrap button class and button dash success, okay. And okay, let's give this, and let's write here what you have written here, submit. Right, submit. Okay, fine. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, I'm sorry, not here. We have to keep this here. Okay, submit, but there is a margin. We need margin here, so we have already made margin for the top. Okay, this fine. 10 pixel of margin, right? Okay, fine. Now last card left. Okay, we can make a simple card for this. Okay, let's make a card here. div.card, yeah. We can simply make a card here, and inside the card simply we can make div.card as body here, okay. Inside the card body we can simply write same thing here, title for this, and inside title we have written the name, right? So right now let's write there John, okay, fine. Now his comment inside the p tag. In p tag we can simply write a card, This text, sorry, forgot to write a code, sorry, class. Okay, so this we can write this. Okay, what I've written here, best article. Okay, best article, simply let's do there. Okay, now we will keep something gray color here, right? Okay, let's make one class name called comment here, and let's go up and let's write a comment, and let's give this color background color. Okay, background color, and let's put a background color of has, what will be this color? Okay, e3 e3 e3, maybe this same color. Yeah, okay, fine. Maybe we can use CSC, I think. This way? No, it's a little bit dark, right? Okay, let's use this. Okay, fine. Now I think we have been successful creating the view for the digital page. Okay, and thank you for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we'll be talking about the backend side for this view. Okay, thank you so much for watching this tutorial.